Hello and welcome to another. Well, I cracked my fingers. I know there's Minecraft on the screen right now, but no. That is not what we are doing today. Today, we shall be doing, well, drawing the different types of circles. So let me just get this drawing program up. We shall open a new thing. Oh gosh, that'll be fine. So what are the different types of circles? Well, there's the cheetah way, except this is more like a half circle and you can go like, whoop. It's like this thing, whatever that is. There is the, oh my gosh, how do I use this again? There is the number one cheetah's way, which is the, yeah, look at that. Except, look at that circle, guys. Look at that quality circle. Now, if we grab the trusty old tablet here, then there's also the hand-drawn circle. You know, that circle you can never get it right. You can never get it, oh, that's really bad. You can never get it right. Never, ever. Let's just made a big old mess there, didn't I? There we go. We'll get rid of all of this. Now there's also the weird circle, which is like, oh yeah, hand drawn. And then it's got like these weird patterns inside. This looks more like a pizza. And it's got like the weird things, and it's like, ooh, I'm fancy. Ooh. Oh, Mandela, that's what it's called. Right, we're gonna forget that ever happened. There is also the... Oh my gosh, what happened? Whoa. Okay, anyway. There is also the, heat. Oh my god, we're gonna need a perfect... We're gonna have to go with the cheetah's method. Oh my god. Yeah, the cheetah's method. This is so perfectly cut, guys. Look at this. Okay, oh, oh my god. Anyway, we got the pizza circle, you know, with the pepperoni and the anchovy. I do not like anchovies on pizza. I've never had it and it smells disgusting and I'm never going to have it. This circle. The circle of purely giving up. The circle that you do when you just do not know what to do with life and then you max it out and you just do not, oh my god, you just do not know what to do with life. Oh my god, this is just a... Alright, well this is an abyss now. Yep. An abyss. What else can we do actually? Oh my god, you see it! The magic pen said, please subscribe. Wait. Spelled my own name wrong. No! Oh, I believe we have a message from the pen himself. It says, hello, please subscribe to Ascori. Smiley, winky face, I don't know what. Okay. The pen. Totes nodded. Anyway. Thank you, the pen. Yes, subscribe to me.